5x squared minus bx plus 12 can be written in the form of ax minus 3 all squared plus c. Find the values of a, b and c, and hence find the coordinates of the minimum value of the curve y is equal to 5x squared minus bx plus 12. Okay, so we've got 5x squared minus bx plus 12 is equal to a brackets x minus 3 squared plus c. This looks like it's a little bit like completing the square. So if we take out a 5 from this bracket, we get 5 brackets x squared minus b over 5x plus 12. And normally you take half of that. So this becomes 5x minus b over 10. So half of b over 5 will be b over 10 all squared plus 12. But doing this process, we've added something in. So we have added in 5 times this bit here minus b over 10 squared, which is 5b over 100. Okay, the minus sign when you square it becomes positive, and that cancels down to b squared over 20. So here we now need to take minus b squared over 20. So hence, a is 5 comparing. B over 10 will be the same as 3, which means that b is equal to 30, and that c is equal to 12 minus b squared over 20, which is going to be 12 minus 30 squared, because b is 30, over 20, which gives you minus 33. This bit you could just work out on your calculator in an IGCSE exam quickly using the fraction button. So a is equal to 5, b is equal to 20, and c is equal to 30 minus 33. Now we can check this. If we just try take our function, which we now have the values of, 5x squared minus 30x plus 2, and just try to complete the squares. We take out 5, we get 5x squared minus 6x plus 12. Just make sure that's plus 12. We take half of this number, so it now becomes 5 brackets x minus 3 all squared plus 12. We have added in 5 times minus 3 squared, which is going to be 5 times 9, minus 3 squared is 9, which is 45. So here we now take 45, so we're going to get 5 brackets x minus 3 all squared minus 33. So the coordinates of the minimum value of 5x minus x all squared minus 33 happened when this bit is equal to 0. So this will happen when this is equal, this bracket here is equal to 0, because you're squaring it, the lowest value it can ever be is 0, it can never be negative, and therefore it'll give a y value of minus 33. When x minus 3 is equal to 0, we're going to get x is 3. So we get a minimum value of 3 minus 33. So this has been a video to show you how to complete the square of a more difficult question. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.